everybody? My name is Desha and I do makeup, and in today's video I'm going to be doing Office Siren makeup. Now, I'm a really big fan of this makeup trend. It's actually been trending for a while. If you do not know what Office Siren makeup is, it is basically this kind of like smoky eye, thin eyebrow, you know, very contoured, like sleek makeup look. So the first step in this makeup tutorial is basically doing the eyebrows. So as you can see, I already did my eyebrows. I actually did drop an eyebrow tutorial some weeks ago, made them a little bit thinner instead of making them how I usually do. After that, we're gonna go ahead and use some e.l.f. primer, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face, and then we can go straight on to foundation. So this is the foundation that I'm using, this e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation. Here's a little pro tip for you guys. When you're blending out your foundation, you might want to use a brush like this instead of a makeup sponge like this, because makeup sponges like this absorb a whole lot of product, and that means less of it is going to be on your actual face. So using this not only makes sure that it spreads out evenly, but it also makes sure that the desired amount of product actually gets on your face. So guys, now I'm actually going to be doing concealer and contour. So these are the products that I use. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Halo Glow contour. This is the concealer that I'm going to be using. It's this NARS concealer. Alright guys, so now it's time for the nose contour, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with the same contour I use for my face, and I'm just going to make our noses nice and snatched. Alright guys, next up is powder, and I went to get my Fit Me Maybelline powder, and look at this. I've hit pan. It's been like this for a couple of days, and I'm just like so devastated. I hit pan. There's like nothing in here. There's this little ring and that's it. Let's go ahead and get on it to powdering the face. Alright guys, now it is time to bake our makeup, and now I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 25. I don't know where the tab went. Alright guys, now that we have a smooth base, we're going to go ahead and do the eyeshadow. So this eyeshadow palette, you may recognize it from my Dollar Tree video. It is so beautiful. It has a bunch of smoky eye colors, and that is exactly what we want to achieve with this look. Alright guys, now that we have achieved this sleek, smoky eye, but now I'm going to be going ahead and using some eyeliner. So I'm going to go ahead and do a nice, thick, juicy wing. Alright guys, so look at this wing. It's so sharp. I love it. This is definitely my kind of makeup. But now I want to go ahead and highlight my brow bone. Alright guys, so I went ahead and highlighted my nose, put on some mascara, and now it is time to put on our favorite pair of lashes. And then after that, we'll be going ahead and doing the lips. Alright guys, time for some finishing touches. I'm going to go ahead and add some fake moles. And guys, this makeup look will not be complete without some thin glasses. Look at these, and I'm going to go ahead and put them on, and then this look will be complete. Alright guys, this is the finished Office Siren makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my TikTok. It's Daisha Does Makeup. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.